Hello gentlemen, welcome to my next live video, and today we're going to be at the abandoned train station where I am right now. It's called Branesti-Sat. I'm not exactly sure what that's done, so without actually translating it. So let's give you a quick tour. So this is going to be a short video only, because there's still like people walking around. And I want to just kind of exploring whilst I'm re-uploading my my forest video from the other night, because for some reason it failed to upload, and because I need a few things from the shop when I'm out and about on my routes. So I want to give you a quick rundown. I can't really go in here because I'll be trespassing. And to be honest, there's things that fish around there as well. So it's a short video. I'm going to give you a quick tour around there. I really want to show you everywhere, because there's people getting glass smashed out and everything in this place. Nothing much really exploring there. It's just like a concrete lobby area. It's like one room back there. There's another one right inside that I showed you. Another room there. Don't really want to go in here in daytime, there's just people watching everything. So yeah. Well, looks what I'm doing. Oh, I've got entry points in here. Look at that. I'm expecting that. Wow. Wonder how that happened. Yeah, so actually while I'm here, I want a quick cigarette. Just as I'm walking around. Not much to really see around here. Actually, you know what? Actually, we're going to go in there. Let's do like a part two, because last night was too dark to actually go around it, so I'll show you anything. There'll be no point to it. Oh yeah, just bear with me, I'm trying to get a cigarette out quickly. How you guys doing? So this will only be a short video tonight. I'm not going to make a long one. Not today. I'm not going to make a long one. Since the weather's not really that good. Actually, one second. There's a train coming, and I quite enjoy train spotting. So last night I actually saw one train go past. I managed to just catch on video as it went past.